Hey guys, I'm Justin Boggs, the co-founder of Marketplace Valet. We help brands optimize and operate on Amazon. Since 2006, we have over 417,000 reviews as a seller. I'm here to discuss all things Amazon, solve problems, and answer common questions. Today's video is about maximize your Amazon sales by understanding customer intent. Let's get into it. As the Amazon landscape continues to evolve, understanding customer intent is quickly becoming the key differentiator for successful sellers. Rather than relying solely on keyword targeting and search volume analysis, it's now essential to look deeper into the emotional and practical motivations behind why a customer is searching for a product in the first place. For years, sellers have focused on keyword gaps, long-tail terms, and ranking strategies. While these still matter, the future lies in creating product listings that speak directly to the customer's actual needs. It's no longer just about what your product is, but why it matters and who it is for. Amazon's new tools, Rufus and Cosmo, are central to this shift. Rufus is designed to interpret vague conversational search queries and understand the shopper's underlying intent. Instead of depending on users to type in the perfect phrase, Rufus deciphers what they're actually looking for, even when it's not perfectly phrased. On the back end, Cosmo enhances product listings by analyzing Q&As, A+ content, infographics, and other listing elements to form a better understanding of the product. This information allows Amazon's AI to match products more effectively with customer queries, leading to better visibility and ultimately higher conversion rates. To leverage this shift, sellers need to focus on developing listings that offer a complete customer experience. That means adding lifestyle images showing the product in use, writing Q&As that reflect real customer concerns, and including infographics that highlight key benefits in a clear, visual format. All of these elements work together to help Cosmo understand the product deeply, so that when a customer uses Rufus to ask for a solution, your listing becomes the answer. The goal is to create listings that go beyond technical details. They need to demonstrate use cases, address pain points, and resonate with the customer's situation. Amazon's testing has already shown that understanding intent and surfacing the right products can increase sales significantly. Listings that are optimized for this new type of search will be at a clear advantage. Amazon may also begin enriching listings further using AI by sourcing data from external sites to enhance product understanding. Sellers should see this as a cue to be more proactive in providing complete, useful, and intent-driven information directly within their listings. The more comprehensive and customer-focused the listing, the better it will perform in this new search environment. Ultimately, success will come to those who align their content with both the shopper's spoken needs and their unspoken intent. Listings are no longer just pages, they are interactive experiences, and those experiences, when done right, drive conversions. If you have any questions or need help growing your brand on Seller Central, feel free to check us out at marketplacevalet.com. Like and follow us for more helpful Amazon content. Thanks for watching this video.